there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, vibrant jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Abasi. Abasi was not just any lion, he was the king of this sprawling jungle, admired and feared by all its inhabitants. In the same jungle, yet within his own realm of treetops and branches, lived a man untouched by the modern world. His name was Tarzan, an orphan raised by a family of apes who had found him abandoned in the wild. The paths of Abasi and Tarzan seldom crossed, each reigning over their respective kingdoms. Yet, destiny would bring these two formidable beings together. The jungle, lush and brimming with life, faced an unprecedented threat. A group of poachers had made their way into the jungle, their intentions deadly clear: capture the most exotic and majestic creatures for profit. Rumors of the poachers' presence spread quickly through the jungle, reaching the ears of both Abasi and Tarzan. Realizing the grave danger faced by all creatures, they understood that the existential threat required an unusual alliance. Tarzan, swinging from vine to vine with effortless grace, sought out Abasi. The lion, sensing the urgency, met the newcomer with a wary eye but an open mind. Together, they devised a plan. Tarzan, with his intimate knowledge of the jungle paths, would use speed and stealth to monitor the poachers and track their movements. Abasi, strong and imposing, would gather the might of the jungle, calling upon other creatures to prepare for a stand. One moonlit night, the poachers planned their attack, setting traps and preparing to strike. Abasi, with a roar that shook the jungle to its roots, led the offensive, gathering every creature, large and small. As the battle against the intruders commenced, Tarzan moved silently among the shadows, dismantling traps and using his unmatched agility to outsmart the poachers. The jungle awoke to a symphony of calls: birds screeched from the trees, elephants trumpeted their presence, and monkeys howled their warnings. In the chaos, the poachers found themselves overwhelmed, caught in a seamless orchestrated defense they had never anticipated. Abasi's great strength diverted them from their plans, while Tarzan's keen intelligence and stealth ensured no trap was sprung without counteraction. As dawn broke through the dense canopy, victory was theirs. For the first time, the jungle inhabitants witnessed their king and protector, the lion and the man, standing side by side, triumphantly united in their cause. From that day forward, the alliance between Abasi and Tarzan became legendary, a testament to the power of unity when faced with adversity. The jungle, with its myriad lives and voices, thrived under the watchful eyes of its two heroes, the mighty lion and the wild man Tarzan, ever protective, ever vigilant.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our